coefficient of x to the negative second power in the expansion of x minus 1 cubed times 1 over x plus 2x raised to the sixth power. So for this we want to use a binomial theorem. So we're going to have 3 choose 0 x cubed negative 1 to the 0 plus 3 choose 1 x squared negative 1 to the first plus 3 choose 2 x to the first times negative 1 squared plus 3 choose 3 x to the 0 negative 1 cubed. So you can do that, or you can use Pascal's triangle to get the coefficients. So it's going to be 1, 3, 3, 1. So it's 1x cubed plus 3 or minus 3x squared plus 3x minus 1. So that's x minus 1 cubed, but for 1 over x plus 2x to the sixth, that one's much harder because we have to have 7 total terms. And you would need to extend this, I guess you have to go 3 more rows, so it would be pretty large. So we would use these as a coefficients, and so you would have start with 6, choose 0, 1 over x. I would just call it x to the negative 1 to the sixth power, 2x to the 0, and then we're just going to go up and down. So k goes up and minus k goes down. And really, if you want, you could just use the coefficients here. You don't have to actually do the combination yourself. And to save time, basically it's going to be x to negative 1, 2x. There's going to be a total of 7 terms. So 6 choose 0, 1, 2, and then we go 6 choose 3. 6 choose 4, 6 choose 5, 6 choose 6, and then you want to go from 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, and then we go from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. So now we have x cubed minus 3x squared plus 3x minus 1. Okay, and then we start. So 6 choose 0 is 1. 2x to the 0 is 1, and then that's x to the negative 6. And then plus 6 choose 1 is 6 times 2 is 12. And then we have x to the negative 5 times x is x to the negative 4. Plus 6 choose 2, that's 15, times 4 is 60, x to the negative second. 6 choose 3, so that's going to be 15. Sorry, that's 20. But we have 20 times 2 cubed, so that's going to be 160. X to the negative 3 times x cubed is just 1. 6 choose 4 is 15 times 2 to the fourth. Well, 2 to the fourth is 16. 16 times 15 is 240. You have x to the negative second, x to the fourth is x squared. 6 choose 5 is 1. I'm sorry, 6 choose 5 is 6 times 2 to the fifth. 2 to the fifth is 32. 32 times 6 is 192. And then this will be x to the fourth plus, and then 6 choose 6 is 1. X to negative 1 to the 0 is 1. 2 to the sixth is 64. X to the sixth. So now we can simplify. Okay, so we remember we want x to the negative second power. So none of these guys over here, when multiplied with this, will give me x to the negative second power. So we can cancel this. And now we can just focus on these. So starting with x cubed, just go in order. If I multiply with x to the negative 6, that gives me x to the negative 3. With x to the negative 4, that gives me x to the negative 1. With x to the negative second, it gives me just x. So that doesn't work. X squared with x to the negative 6 gives me x to the negative 4. This gives me x to the negative 2. So that works. So negative 3x squared, 12x to the negative 4 works. Negative 3x squared and 60x to the negative second. The x squareds cancel. So I'm left with a coefficient. So that's done. That doesn't work. 3x and x to the negative 6 gives me x to the negative 5. And x to the negative 4 is x to the negative 3. This gives me x to the negative 1. So that's done. And then the only one that works with negative 1 is negative 60x to the negative second. So we have negative 3 times 12 is negative 36. X squared times x to the negative 4 is x to the negative second. And then I subtract these, I get negative 96 x to the negative second. I'm interested in the coefficient, which is going to be negative 96. And that's our final answer.